Have you been looking for a new construction home in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area? In this video, we're going to take a new construction model home walkthrough tour of the Rutledge II floor plan by Mungo Homes right here in Suter Estates in the Powdersville area of Easley, South Carolina. If this is your first time to our channel and you want to know everything about living in Greenville, South Carolina, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below and tap that notification bell so you'll be the first to know about the real estate market right here in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. Hey, it's Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty. My team and I, we help people buy and sell residential real estate right here in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. And we get calls from people like you all the time about moving to this area. Now, whether you're looking to move in the next 30 days or in the next 3 months, go ahead and feel free to reach out. Our contact information are in the description box below. And we'd love to help you avoid costly mistakes and make a smooth move to the greater Greenville, South Carolina area. All right, we're gonna check out this Rutledge II floor plan by Mungo Homes right here in Suter Estates, which is a gated community right here in the Powdersville area of Easley, South Carolina. All right, let's check it out. All right, so it's a very small community, intimate neighborhood here. Right now, they do have about 31 lots in this neighborhood in this current phase. If they do expand, it might go up to about 40 lots. But they have about 22 lots left right now to build on. Now, this particular Rutledge model is available for sale, and square footage is about it's a little over 4,300 square feet. It's 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms. There is a guest suite on the main level. All the homes in here are going to be side load garages, so they all have side entry garages. It is a cement board siding community, over half acre for every lot in this community because they do have septic tanks. So the lots are very, very spacious. So the model home is right over there. And the next home is going to be, where they're clearing. That's right next to this one. So there's plenty of space between the homes in this community. Like I said, it's going to be a gated community. The gate's not quite in yet, but it will be gated. All right, let's check out the driveway here so you can check out and see. And this one does have a 3-car garage. Plenty of space. This one is over half acre, so it's 0.57 acres on the lot. It's a beautiful floor plan. And so we're gonna go inside and check it out. Brick front, cement board siding on the sides and the back. Okay, and as you come in here, wide entryway. To the right, you have a study. Okay, you got the double doors there, or a flex room, whatever you want to use it for. Formal dining room, you got the coffered ceilings there, and the molding and trims on the bottom. Okay, and this particular home is priced at $797,000. That's the current list price, $797,000. Okay, got a little closet right here. It's where all your networking cable will go right in there. And we'll go upstairs in a moment. Okay, some built-ins right there around the fireplace. This gas log fireplace. Kitchen, gorgeous kitchen, open. And you got the Subway tile backsplash, the built-in oven, microwave, gorgeous countertops, very exotic looking granite countertops, single bowl stainless steel sink, and 5-burner gas range. You got the pot filler right there, nice range hood. And these cabinets are soft close, and soft close, you got the trash cans right there. And these, the cabinets themselves are soft close as well. Stainless steel appliances. And you got the pantry, walk-in pantry. Nice crown molding throughout, and you got the wide baseboards as well. Okay, and we'll go outside in a moment. Nice little sunroom here, plenty of windows, and you got the TV package in this one, so if you wanted to put your TV up and you need to connect it to HDMI, it comes out on this side over here. A gas log fireplace, and on this side you have the guest suite on the main level. Nice size. And got the bathroom towel shower, got the nice niche in the shower there, double sinks, and linen closet, and a walk-in closet for the guest suite. Could be an in-law suite, guests, whatever you might need it for. And right here you have a coat closet, and this is where the half bath is. So your powder room right here, and luxury vinyl planks throughout this main floor here, and the 3-car garage, spacious garage. You got the 3rd car on this side. Tankless water heater, and that's gas. Okay, and like I said, this particular home is available for sale right now for $797,000. So we're gonna check out the upstairs and see what you think. And you know, if you like this home, or if you would like something similar, or you know, something in this neighborhood, there are other homes available, and I'm going to give you a tour of those homes as well. So we'll check it out. All right. And up here you still have the luxury vinyl plank in this landing area here in the hallways, and you do have the hardwood stairs as well, which makes it really easy to clean. Open staircases, so you don't have to worry about blocking the sunlight or anything like that. So it makes it a lot more open. And as you come up here, you got a few rooms. And obviously that goes right down to the foyer, front door area. And let's say you come up the stairs, right here is your bonus room. No closet in this room, so this will be a play area for the kids, or play area for the adults if you want to, you know, put a pool table, something like that, make it a media room, anything that you want to use it for. Let's go through here. So you got another bedroom here, ceiling fan, and all of these bedrooms have walk-in closets, every single bedroom. So you got a walk-in closet here. And there is a Jack and Jill bathroom. So with 2 sinks, so you got a sink on this side, you know, door to be able to close it off, and tub shower with the towel surround, and a nice little niche there, tile floors, and linen closet. And the second sink vanity there for this bedroom. Another ceiling fan, and another walk-in closet as well. All right, so right here is another bathroom. Again, same thing, tile surround, a nice little niche there. Tub shower, and you do have the luxury vinyl plank in there as well. Double sinks. And another bedroom here with a ceiling fan, as well as a walk-in closet. Okay. All right, so now let's check out the primary bedroom. We'll check out the laundry room first. Plenty of cabinets in the laundry room. You do have a sink there as well, so really nice size laundry room. And then right next to the laundry room is the owner's suite. Okay, in this owner's suite you have the sitting area here in the owner's suite. It does have 3 closets, so this is one of 3 closets in this room. Okay, so that's the first closet. A few different windows in here. You know, you've got the crown molding as well. In this room, again, these, you know, very wide baseboard trims as well. And so this is the second of 3 closets in the owner's suite. Okay, and this is the third closet in the owner's suite. And you do have a little linen closet as well, right here. Okay, double sinks. Then you have your soaking tub there with a nice little frosted window right above it, you know, for privacy. And you do have a towel shower as well with the bench. And you got a couple of shower heads here as well, with a nice frameless shower door, and the water closet here. So pretty deep on the water closet, and you got a window there. And as you can see, inside the bathroom, you have the crown molding as well. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna go check out the outside, so you can see what that looks like out there. You do have the pull-down attic stairs in this home. Okay, so right now this builder, Mungo Homes, is offering for the inventory homes, they're offering up to $10,000 in flex cash that you can use for, you know, closing costs, take off the price, or use it to buy down your interest rate. So whatever you want to use it for. And if you build, they're offering $12,500 currently in flex cash if you build from scratch. So like I said, they do have about 22 lots left in this community, so you'll be able to pick out a lot and build it. Okay, let's check out the outside. Okay, got a deck out here. And as you can see, really nice size lot. You know, the house sits back a little bit, so you'll be able to, you know, kind of have a nice little setback from the road. And, you know, like I said, this is, you know, cement board siding, so it's not your vinyl. So it's pretty, you know, strong stuff. You don't have to worry about, you know, wind coming through and just easily blowing it off the house. So if you're interested in this home or know someone who might be interested, or if you have questions about the real estate market in our area here, let my team and I help you. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or visit our website to search all available listings for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com. Or you can scan that QR code or click the link below to schedule a time to chat with me. Have a fantastic day. Look forward to seeing you soon. Take care. Bye.